Alright, what's up everyone? Welcome back again my vlog and welcome to another brand new episode of my welcome to the Asia Strait Point. The gondola right there, I hope you can see. So here we are. This is the place to get the ticket.
I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make.
So we're doing tendering right now. Yeah, because our boat they're using for the other cruise line over there. You can see. So from the ship going to the port by the tender is take about about 5 minutes, I guess. Yeah, it's not really far, but now the tender boat going very slow. Yeah.
We normally have pretty good weather nowadays.
And the weather so nice today, sunny day, pretty warm outside here. Not like last week. Last week it's a bit chilly, it's windy and rainy, but right now I think today is the perfect summer season in here in Alaska. So beautiful the view, you can see. And that the celebrity and clips Valeta.
They never got it done so fast. They have good weather.
Huge ship, it's beautiful ship. Oh, what the people doing there on the other side? I think they do some maintenance. They're lowering the rescue boat to the starboard side. Just waiting for another tender boat. They just come out. So we are standby, waiting the empty place. Then we are heading to the boat. Oops, it's a bit shaking right now. Alright guys, as you can see, we are approaching to the port right now, and that's the port. So our boats bring us to the port. Oh my God, so beautiful the view here. The wilderness in Alaska is the best.
It looks really nice.
Yeah.
Our problem is our
Look at this.
north-northwest.
Oh, you suck.
So many guests and the crew, they just come out from the ship
Solar panels, and I'm like, dude, you're
trying to be exploring the port of the Asia Strait Point here. So welcome to the Asia Strait Point in Alaska. Alright, what's up everyone? Welcome back again my vlog and welcome to another brand new episode on my video. And today currently we arrived in the beautiful port in Asia Strait Point and just heading off from the gangway. Yeah, currently we just get off from the boat, the lifeboat. Believe me guys, first thing when you arrive in Alaska, try to take the breath in so your nostril can detect the incredible aroma of the smell here, the wildness in Alaska. Especially today we arrive in the Asia Strait Point and you can see the weather so beautiful, yeah, glorious, and a lot of people, and yeah, they're gonna try to explore the port. And here so beautiful, you can see that's the transporter bring you to the Hona to the other side. Yeah, and we're gonna try get the information about to do the zip lining, because I'm going to do zip lining today. We hope we're gonna get the ticket, because last time we've been there it's been sold out already. Yeah, so here we are already in the information and tours. Hopefully, finger crossed, we're gonna get the ticket. Yeah, so we can have experience to the zip lining here in the Asia Strait Point. Is the largest zip line in the world. So here we are. This is the place to get the ticket, but I'm gonna ask first if there is a ticket available. But if not, so what to do? Not able to do the zip lining again. But yeah, we just finger crossed, we're trying the best that we can get. Yeah, so that's the map in the Asia Strait Point. Yeah. So we are in the wilderness now, and the other side the Hornet Cannery, and the mountain they call Sky Peak, the place they start for the ship lining. Yeah. Unfortunately, guys, we don't get the ticket again, so we cannot do the ship lining today. And you can see this the vibe here, so beautiful. Look at this behind me. Yeah, very nice. The weather as well today. I think this the perfect summer season here in Alaska during May and June. Yeah, and you can see that's the celebrity eclipse, and this is the view. Oh, what's that? Warning, the bear activity. Stay together. Yeah. So they have a three name of the place here. One is the wilderness. This is the place we call the wilderness. And on the other side, using the gondola, the green one, they bring you to the Hornet Cannery. And the one with the gondola, the red one, the one last time we did, they call the Sky Peak. And that's the place if you want starting to do zip lining. Oh, very nice. Anyway, here, just sitting down, see the view. The ice is straight point. Look at this behind me, the nature. So wonderful. The trees, the weather, the air, pretty nice and fresh air outside here. What's up everyone, welcome back again with me. And yeah, so I just come back to the ship and changing with my uniform and about ready back to work right now. Yeah, currently right now is in the afternoon, it's 5:30 in the afternoon, just about ready to work for my next shift. Yeah, a bit disappointed today because I'm not able to do zip lining today because the ticket has been sold out. So there is no chance anymore for me because I think we don't have any more the itinerary here. They call the zip lining here is the largest in the world. Yeah, with the 5,336 length with a high 1,300 feet above the sea level, so really high. So that's why I'm wondering I'm gonna get the chance to do the zip lining. And you can see behind me the remarkable view of the mountain here. I'm gonna bring you to look over the view here. This is the mountain, and you can see there is the gondola right there. I hope you can see. Yeah, and that's bring you to the top of the mountain that we call the Sky Peak. When you ride the gondola, it takes about almost 11 minutes or 10 minutes. Yeah, and starting from there, nearby the ship Celebrity, all the way up to the top of the mountain, the Sky Peak. And also you can see a little bit further, there is the zip lining, zip rider starting from there and go straight down to the other side. You see there is the line over there going to the nearby the visitor center nearby the Hona. Yeah, and so this place they have three place they call in the middle they call in the wilderness center, and then on the top they call the Sky Peak, on the other side they call the Hornet Cannery. So beautiful place here. And the thing that I like here is the wilderness, so beautiful, the nature here. You can see the trees, the mountain. And today I think the perfect weather during the summer season here. Yeah, pretty warm outside here, but still a bit breezy because right now the winds start getting strong. Yeah, but anyway, it's been a wonderful day, nice day, beautiful weather today, pretty warm. You can see the sun, still sunny day. Yeah, once again I just want to say thank you very much for you guys been supporting my channel. And if you're on first time, brand new, just visiting my channel, then you like my video, the best thing, if you want to support, please don't forget to subscribe and thumbs up. And those of you don't know me yet, my name is David. Currently I'm active crew member working on the beautiful ship of Majestic Princess. Once again, thank you very much guys. Welcome home, far away from home.